Well, today in the garden, I thought I would bring you along with me as I just clip some things to bring inside so that I can start decorating some pots, decorating, just Christmasizing, I guess, basically in general, Christmasizing. If we can autumnalize and pumpkinize, then we can Christmasize. So I have Stuart, my elf, here. So I am just, and we're supposed to get a hard freeze. So, you know, just things like I've got some, here, I didn't show that to you, Stuart. I've got some roses that were in bud. So just the last few things that I really don't want to get nipped by the cold, I'm going to bring those in. But mostly what I'm going to do is bring in, sorry, Stuart, are you going to catch up?
I'll stay in front of you.
I'm running into you. Well, I'm walking right into the sun, so I can't see. So I'm enjoying all of the leaf litter. And by the way, I love how many of you told me that you too love leaf litter, and it's hard for you to clean them up because they look so beautiful on the ground. And right now in the front, they really look beautiful. But what I'm doing today primarily, in addition to kind of doing some foraging, I'm cutting berries. Actually, Stuart, I haven't shown it to you, but I decorated one little thing that I will reveal to you guys later. But today, my primary thing that I want to do, I have talked about it ad nauseum, is digging up these little spruce trees. Look how much they've grown, Stuart.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Christmas trees.
Christmas trees in my faux bois planters. So I am going to move these all over to my table. And I'm going to really check them for bugs, check them for roly-polies. I guess roly-polies are bugs. And just going to kind of give them a once-over. Some of them, we just had a good rain, and the topsoil has washed away on some of them. And so if need be, I will replenish the surface so that I don't have any roots exposed. But I'm just going to give them a good once-over because these are going to come inside for the Christmas tableau that I have been talking about all season long, or all summer long, all during the growing season, about how I like to get all of these guys and put them together so that I can have a little winter wonderland forest. So I'm doing that today because it's supposed to get really cold. And by the way, these, they really don't want to be inside, but they can be inside for the short term, and I think they'll be fine, especially because, because the area that I'm going to put them in is cool. There's good air circulation. If I see any of them looking like they're starting to suffer, then I will bring them in. But don't they look cute, Stuart, all together as a little forest here in their faux bois pots? And then obviously I'm going to zhuzh them up a little bit and top dress the surface or mulch the surface of the pots themselves with some fun seasonal Christmas embellishments. So that's what I'm doing today in my garden. What are you guys doing today in your garden?
I'm loving the red maple behind you.
You're loving, well, okay, so there you go. Our question of the day is, what are you doing in your garden? And Stuart is loving, and by the way, this is a blood good Japanese maple, and isn't it beautiful?
You get the name, don't you?
And the thing is it really turns this gorgeous color, I think relatively late in the fall.
It's breathtaking, and it's been this color for a while.
Yeah, it's been this color for a while, and it doesn't lose its leaves until a little bit later. But the contours of it, the pruning of it's beautiful, and it really is just gorgeous. Yeah, really, really gorgeous. The ones on top are a little bit sun and wind burned from the difficult summer, but these are beautiful. So there you go. You guys enjoy your gardens today.